Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create images to support our script. You can see an image here, and if we open the properties of the support, we can also see an image with dimensions. It looks like this, and actually you can see the same kind of image in the catalog editor. Just click the item and the picture appears here as well. So when we create a new item, a preview image also included. So you can see it here. Good. So I will just explain how I do that. First, I isolate the U-bolt. So just isolate and set a user coordinate system and rotate X, Y plane. Okay, set the coordination system by a view. Then we just need to add necessary dimensions. So first we explode the support and we need to explode the block as well. Okay, and now I just want to change the color of the nuts, so I will apply the filter to the faces and select the faces of the nuts, these ones and these ones, and change the color to green one. Okay, it looks better as for me. Good. Now let's create a circle just to make the dimensions of nominal diameter. Double click and insert the text DN. Good. Okay, so we'll also need to add the maximum thickness T. So I'll select the linear dimension and let's make it between the nuts. Good. Double click again and change the value on T. Now let's make it a bit more readable, so the dimension of the size of the arrow and of the text, let's change it to the 5. Okay, now it looks better. And let's change the color to blue one. It looks very good. I'll just switch it to the layout just to have the background white, and that's it. And also I will change the visual style to conceptual and make a snapshot. Use Windows plus Shift plus S. Okay, done. So you can use regular paint for editing, but I prefer using a simple online tool. I'll share the link under the video. So let's create a new project, and after that, just press Ctrl plus V to insert our snapshot. Then we have to crop it just to have it more readable. It was somewhere here, and select aspect ratio 1:1. So let's align it to the picture. Okay, like that, and press enter. Now it looks much more good. Okay, press enter. Good. Okay, so what we need more? We have to show two options, one with fixed point equals 1 and another one with fixed point equals 0. So we can see that when we paste another image, it's placed into a new layer. So we select this layer, and so what can we do? We can move it. So we can use the moving tool, move it here on here, and also we enable transform to make it a bit smaller. Okay, so place it here. For the second version, I need to move not a bit down. So again, we have to use filter, just filter faces, select these faces and move it down to the next node here. Okay, perfect. Let's switch it to the layout space again. And Windows plus Shift plus S, snapshot, another one. And go to our project, Ctrl plus V. Again, move it to this corner, make it smaller. Okay, perfect. Now let's add some labels. So select text. Let's select color black one. Okay. And type fixed point equals 1. Okay, let's correct the position a bit. So let's move this layer. Let's select this move tool. This one move to the right a bit. The text let's move down. Good. Let's copy this text just. Okay. And here change it to fixed point equals 0. Okay. Now we are done with the two versions. So how to save it? Just we need go to File, Export as PNG, and select the size 640 pixels. OK, and click Save. The file saves to our downloads folders, but we can move it or into our working folder and rename how we need. Just remember, it should have the same name as our script. So I will copy this name. I already have these pictures, but we just check how it works. Okay. So what we need next, we also need a preview image without dimensions, just clean geometry. So what I suggest to do, let's go to model space and undo last changes with the moving of the second node to have it in previous version. Let's delete all the dimensions. Okay, switch again to layout space. Okay, we have to select again conceptual view style, and let's rotate it maybe to look it more 3D or what. You can position it however you like. Okay, love, it looks good. Then again, Windows plus Shift plus S, and go to our tool and create new project. Again, paste it and crop it to 1:1 ratio. Again, align it a bit to have it better. Good. Press enter and export it like PNG, and just select 200 pixel size, save. That's it. So now let's rename it to 200 pixels and save the same picture again, but this time using 64 size 64, and again I rename it. So now you already get idea. Yeah, we have to create all these images like this. I just now I just want to check how it works in AutoCAD. I suggest we add a label with the image size directly onto the picture. That way we can later check which image is being used and where. So, maybe let's make it a bit bigger. And also, let's maybe, let's hide everything else. And okay, now it looks good. And now let's export the image again as PNG, but you know what? We can go directly to our custom script folder. Let's move our ready picture into folder old. Just copy the name, okay, and move it. Since AutoCAD logs files while it's open, let's close both AutoCAD and the Spec editor. Okay, now we can move or delete images freely. Good. So now let's save it so we can select the path, go to assemblies folder, and we have to insert the name of the script and add underscore 200. We have to select correct size, 200 pixels, 200 times 200, and again. Okay, now it's correct. And also, now let's change text onto 640. So 640 and export it again. So we will do this for all the sizes we need for 32, 40, 64, 200 and 640. So all the images we save into the folder with the script, and okay, we have 300, 200, okay, 640. Oh, you know what? It seems that it has incorrect size, so let's repeat it again. Export as PNG, select size 640, and just replace these pictures. Oh, we have to replace it. Okay. And check it again. Okay, now it looks good. So far we have file name 32, so 64, 200 and 640. Okay, now let's check it how it works. Open the AutoCAD, and what we have here. Okay, you can see we have 200 pixel image here. So now let's check another images. So I just create a pipe and insert the U-bolt onto this pipe. Okay, the pipe is ready. Let's add the U-bolt and open the properties, Ctrl+1. Okay, what we have here, you can see 640 pixel images here, and when we click on it, and also open the pipe support spec. When I select our support, you can see here we have also 200 pixels image. Okay, and when we open spec editor, we have some images also there. So let's open and let's have a look there. Okay, you can see here we have 200 pixels image, and let's go to catalog editor. Let's make a filter for gradior. Gradior. Okay. Oh, some mistake. Gradior, it should have 1A. Okay, now it's good. So you can see here in dimensions we have 640. And when I click on it, okay, and here it have 200. So, and where else we have the images? And now, if we create the new support, we have also image, but again 200. It looks interesting because I didn't notice where we have 64 and 32. It's it's a question if we need them. Maybe you know where we have them. 64 and 32. I didn't find them. So okay. Anyway, it works. If you have any question or suggestions, let me know. Thank you for watching and stay with us.